This is Total's 12-watt DC hot air compressor. We can connect it to a vehicle cigarette lighter socket. It comes with 4 types of accessories. This pump features an analog meter to gauge the pressure. It has an LED lamp for use in dark areas. This can be used not only with a vehicle cigarette lighter socket, but also by directly connecting it to the vehicle battery with the provided kit. To do this, connect the kit to the pump and clip the cables directly to the battery. A 3-meter cable is provided along with a 1-meter air hose, giving a total length of 4 meters to operate the pump. So, this can easily be used even for large, long vehicles. To maintain the battery health, we should always start the vehicle before plugging in and using this compressor. When we connect the socket, the motor powers up and starts to work. Now let's use this and check. When we reach the desired pressure, stop and release the air hose. Next, let's directly connect it to the battery and check. Connect the battery kit and clip it to the battery terminals. You can see that it's powered up. Now just switch it on and use it.